wig that I am super excited about because it is an affordable unit. I'll be honest. These wigs are getting out of control. I was on there looking for hair to buy, or online looking for hair to buy, and y'all, synthetic units are getting up to like 60. 60 is the norm now, and that's just crazy to me. If you are new here, my name is Jessica, and I can't comb hair, but I enjoy playing in hair. So I have a lot of wigs. Synthetic, human, I just have so many. Recently, I went online because Glamourtress popped back up on us, and I ordered a bunch of wigs from Glamourtress, tons. And this just happened to be one that I picked up. This one is by Sensationnel, and this one is in the style Lace Unit 56, and I got it in mocha brown. I almost got the blonde that she was wearing, but I said, let's not play. Because I would get there to be like, I like this, that dark root. So I play with each other, right? So I just got mocha brown. Let's take her out of the back so we can look at it up close. The color, the construction, the texture. That's not an exaggeration. I know I might be silly, I might play around a lot, but that's something that is dead serious. These synthetic wigs are getting out of control. And when I say they're getting out of control, it's because they keep raising the prices, but ain't nothing really changing on them, right? So, especially Outre. Outre done lost their dang on mind. And Bobby Boss popped back out with some new units, and I was like, ooh, let me go pick them up. And they like $60, $70. And Bobby Boss, we don't trust you like that. That's why I don't got sponsors right there. But I'm gonna keep it funky. Bobby Boss, we don't trust you like that. To be jumping off the porch like you ain't been gone for years, and you jump back off the porch with a $60 unit synthetic. No, ma'am. Okay, Sensationnel, however, has remained affordable. I picked up this unit for $26 at glamourtress.com. I'll try to put the link down there. If I don't know that, I'll put Amazon or something down there for you to go and check this out. But $26 on Glamourtress, so I can get with that. The only other thing on the stock card I can think you want to know are the colors. The model is wearing her in pearl blonde. Okay, yeah. The model is wearing her in pearl blonde, but she does come in some other colors as well. A 1, a 1B, and a 2. Chunky highlight 27, sorry. Chunky highlight 30. Chunky highlight blonde, mocha brown, and pearl blonde. Okay, that's what I will give Sensationnel. They have so many different collections to fit a variety of price points. You can still get a $26 unit from Sensationnel, but you can get a $60 unit from Sensationnel, and I will forever rock with them because of that. And it says the wig is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Off the rip, something that I really, really love about this unit is the texture. For this to be a $26 unit, that texture is very, very nice. It is not silky. It doesn't look like Party City. That is a beautiful texture that Sensationnel has given us on this unit. Also, that color is so pretty. I hope that it's doing justice online. Like, I don't have my ring light or anything on. Dude, is my ring light on? It is, but it's mostly natural light. And that color is just gorgeous. I don't even know why I got that on. I already turned it off because it ain't doing nothing. I just got the skylights and my windows back there. So very, very beautiful color. The cap construction, we get ear to ear lace, and that lace part is curved. We get those 2 combs in the front. In the back, we get a comb and some adjustable straps. So $26, I can't ask for too much, but I think that this unit is gonna give me what I need. There are those baby hairs as well. This should not take long. I'm gonna put this on my head and let you see it before I cut the lace, give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey, it's about you, baby. Look deeper inside you, baby. Dream about us together again. What I want us together again, baby. I know we'll be together again. Everywhere I go, every smile I see, I know you are there, smiling back at me, dancing in moonlight. I know you are free, 'cause I can see your star shining down on me.
All right, guys, I'm back with my final thoughts, y'all, and this is why Sensational is my favorite. Period. Sensational is my favorite because they have not lost touch with the fact that these synthetic wigs cannot be starting price point at $55. The fact that I can get this wig for $26, it lets me know that there is hope. I love everything about this unit. I love the texture. I love the length. I love the color. I love the ease of the cap construction. I don't have a single con with this unit. It is very, very pretty. When I ran my fingers through it the first time, I got a snag, but now I'm not. That was pretty much user error the way I was flipping that wig around. And I didn't get any tangles on this side. This is just a gorgeous unit. I love everything about it. Tell me, now, I don't film with like a big backdrop. Now, I just put my camera up and my background is my background. Does that make sense? I think you can get a better understanding of what these wigs look like this. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me, is that what you feel? Do you like this better or do you like it when it's a solid backdrop? Because I think I like it. This one is a definite win. And like I said, that's one of the reasons why we like Sensational, because not only do they give us Dashley wigs for 25, 30 bucks, you can jump off the porch and go get a $50 wig from Sensational as well. They are just my favorite, and this wig is an example as to why. I'll see if this is available on Amazon. If so, I'll link it down below or I'll embed it somewhere in the video where you can get it online. But remember, I got mine from Glamourtress for the $26. Yes, this one is a winner. This one is a winner chicken dinner, y'all. Talk to me in the comments. Tell me what your thoughts are on this unit and my filming background. Tell me if you like this better. Until next time, y'all, we'll see you very soon.
I'll never forget my baby. When I feel that I don't belong, draw my strength from the words when you said, hey.